How do promissory notes work with Medicaid? Have you ever wondered how a simple piece of paper could help someone qualify for Medicaid? Let's break down how promissory notes can play a role in Medicaid planning. A promissory note is a written promise to repay a loan. It includes details like the loan amount, interest rate, repayment schedule, and duration. When it comes to Medicaid, these notes can be used to convert assets into a loan. This can help reduce the applicant's countable assets, making it easier to qualify for Medicaid benefits. To be eligible for Medicaid, applicants usually must have limited countable assets, often no more than $2,000. Medicaid has a 5-year look-back period. This means any asset transfers within that time can trigger penalties if they are seen as gifts or transfers for less than fair market value. However, if an asset transfer is structured as a legitimate loan with a promissory note, it may not count against the applicant's asset limit. This allows the Medicaid applicant to keep more of their assets while still meeting eligibility requirements. For a promissory note to be effective in Medicaid planning, it must meet strict criteria. First, the loan amount and interest rate must reflect fair market value. This helps avoid scrutiny from Medicaid. Next, payments must be made in equal installments over the loan term. There should be no deferrals or large lump sum payments at the end. The loan term cannot exceed the expected life expectancy of the lender, the person who loaned the money. Additionally, the debt cannot be forgiven or canceled upon the lender's death. Lastly, the loan must be treated as if it were between unrelated parties to ensure it is a genuine transaction. If these conditions are not met, Medicaid may view the outstanding loan balance as an improper asset transfer. This could lead to a penalty period during which Medicaid benefits are denied. In practice, a Medicaid applicant might transfer assets to a family member, like a child, in exchange for a promissory note. This reduces the applicant's countable assets while creating a legal obligation for repayment. The family member then repays the loan according to the agreed schedule. This strategy can be part of a broader Medicaid planning approach to protect assets while qualifying for long-term care coverage. It is essential to work with an elder law attorney to draft promissory notes correctly. This ensures compliance with Medicaid rules, as improper use can lead to denial of benefits or penalties. The Deficit Reduction Act of 2006 tightened rules around promissory notes to prevent misuse, so careful adherence to these requirements is vital. In summary, promissory notes can be a helpful tool in Medicaid planning. They can convert assets into loans, reducing countable assets and maintaining eligibility, but only if they meet Medicaid's strict legal and financial standards.